So hello, it's my turn to make a board game, and I'll be making a board game. Is my school project. So if first I got my piece of paper and said that's the one that we planned it on, and then we're gonna make it. We're gonna stick it on cardboard. So that's the instructions, rules, and that's the questions that we have to ask, because that's maths board game. That's the one that we just done. And the board game will be called Cave Master. I got the cardboard first, and I'll show you how I cut that. First I'm going to put 2 papers on top, but I need to make the right size. So I got a ruler and I put it straight, and be careful with the blade because you can cut your hand. So now I'm going to put the piece of papers on there. I'll put the drawing on there. So now I'm going over with marker. This is where the place will start, and the middle is the cave. Now I'm going to draw the better cave because that's rusty. We're going to cut that out now. Now first we're going to draw circles in different shapes, so that's where the plays are going to start. It's 4-play game. And now we're drawing circles, and then with another one we're going to draw square, I think, triangle. So we're drawing the triangle, and then this is where the paper moves to get to the cave. So now I'm drawing squares. That's another player's route to get to the cave, because they have different routes to get to the cave. So now I'm joining the card together, so we get to fold it. Now I'm putting from outside. I'll cut the excess part off. Now I'm going to put the piece of papers on. I'll use double-sided tape. So I put it on and took the other part off, and then I stuck it on. I put 2 on one and 2 on the other one, so that's 4. So I stuck it on, and now I'm going to do the other side. So now I'm going to peel it off and stick the other part off. Now I'm going to finish off the shapes. Diamond shape, that's the last one. Then we go around it with marker. Make sure you do a rough draft in case you do a mistake. Now I'm using the cardboard as a ruler because the other ruler is too big. So so be straight. And then now I'm just going around the boxes. Make sure you get all the boxes. And we done 9 boxes, and the 10 is the cave. So when the players are playing, they have to answer the questions. And they have to move forward. And we made cards, and it's gonna say move if wrong, then move like 3 steps back, or if it's right, then move like forward. And we have a cave master who asks the question, and whoever wins, they're the cave master the next time. Now I still have to cut out the cave. we even made the pieces and we wrote player 1, player 2 and player 3 and player 4. And those are the cobbles. Now we're going to be cutting it out. Now we put a hole in there, so now if the pieces go in there, they're gonna fall, and then they get to be on another level. Now I'm making the circles. I'll cut it out. Then we're gonna sellotape it together. And the last one I'm gonna write player 1 and then stick that one on there. Day that I start writing the outside, I'll put piece of papers on the outside, and then I'll start drawing that. I also coloured that with my cousin. That's the cards that we made. That's the one that we coloured. That's yellow, that's green, and that's orange and purple. And now you can see us playing the game. In picking one card and we answering them and we moving one. Make your own ideas and you can make your own game. Bye.